Okay, what we're going to do here is take a program that's already been recorded for this part, and we're going to add in a tolerance on those features, and then we're going to print a report and have the report generated at the end of the inspection routine with the tolerance in there. So I'm going to open up an existing program. And it's asking me to inspect the first couple points manually so it knows where the part is in relation to the program. And then it says CNC playback is about to begin. I'll say yes. And then I'll interrupt the program here and edit it. I'll get a warning message that something unexpected has occurred, but that was me interrupting the program. Now this feature is highlighted. I can highlight any feature that I want to edit, but I'm going to take this one here and add a tolerance value to this radius. So if I touch the radius, it'll bring it over into this window here. And then I can see the actual value, the nominal tolerance, and then this actually has a tolerance in it already. So let's see. What I'll do is I'll select a different tolerance, a different feature, and add tolerance to that. Over here to Arc 9. I'm already in the edit mode. Bring that over here. I see the actual nominal tolerance. Here I have a selection of different types of tolerance I can add to it. A center position, XY position, radius, and a roundness tolerance. I'm going to add the roundness tolerance to this feature. And then I'm going to add a 5/10,000th value to it. Say done. Done again. Now I have the actual size, I have the nominal value, tolerance of 5/10,000ths. So I'll say done. Now my tolerance is added for that feature. Now I'm going to generate a report at the end of this program. So I'll go to the last line and then I'll record from that line down. I'll use this symbol here. It adds into this program. So I'm at line 10, I'm recording. I'm going to go up here to my reports. I'll press the report symbol. It shows a tolerance report. I can select different types of reports down here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to print this when it's done. Print, and it'll ask me for a name for my saved report. Name it something I remember. It says please wait while printing completes. Now it's sent it to the desktop. I could send it to a printer if I prefer, but I'm going to send a report to the desktop. And then that's it. I'm going to close this down now. I'll save this. I'll give it a new name. And then I'll close it out. And open it up and run it. So I'll go to the file, double click it to open. It'll ask me for the first couple points again. I go over manually, inspect the first couple of points. It says it's going to switch into CNC playback. I say yes. It inspects the features automatically, 5 points on each feature. And then it should give me a tolerance. This had a tolerance value in it already. I added a tolerance for here. So both of these features should have a tolerance value on the report and whether they pass or fail. If it fails, it'll show up in red on the screen and on a report, and it'll say fail as well. So when it completes, we'll take a look at the report. It's asking me to name the report. I'll just put a name in here. Save. Now it prints the report to the desktop. I can exit out of here to my desktop. Find my report. And if I double click on my report, it opens up. And in my report, I had already set this in here, my logo, the date, name of the person inspecting the part. If you want to put that stuff in there, you could add it into, it'll go into every report. And then it shows up the part features that you inspected, as a little image of the part here. And then down here it shows all the features and the results from them. In here in ARC 4, there was a tolerance. This passed. This is the tolerance on ARC 9 that we added, 5 10,000s. It was actually 1 10,000s, so this passed as well. That shows up in our report. If it had failed, it would be in red. It would say failed, and it would have the results displayed in this window also. That's pretty much our report. And again, that could be printed out or it could be saved to a file to be used later on. And that's it. You can add a tolerance to any one of these features. You can add different types of tolerance to different features. So you can always go back in and edit the program the way you'd like it and save it as a different file if you'd like it. You could have 2 versions of the same part inspection routine. That's it.